Let's learn how to block a Facebook account. If you want to block an account on Facebook but don't know how, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video, you will know how to do it. This process is the same on both iPhone and Android devices. The first thing you need to do is open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you have it open, make sure you are logged into the correct account. When Facebook is open, you will be on the home page. On that page, you need to click on the search option located in the top right corner. Once you have clicked on the search option, a page will open where you need to type the name of the account you want to block. After typing the name, click on it. Once you have clicked, a page will open with that profile. On that page, you will see several options, but you need to click on the 3 dots next to the message button. When you click on the 3 dots, a menu with several options will open. From all those options, you need to click on the block option, which is the second one and has a symbol of a person next to it. After clicking on that option, you will be asked if you are sure you want to block, and if you are, click on block. That's it. You have successfully blocked a Facebook account. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.